Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my channel. Today is November 19th, 2022, and I'm going to discuss gold and senior gold miners GDX. In my last video, as of November 6, I mentioned that gold poked above 8-month resistance. Back then, I suggested that if this breakout follows through, then metal would likely overcome $1,730 resistance and advance higher. In fact, gold did very well and decisively broke a long-term resistance. Overall, metal added over 10% within 12 days. Presently, gold is consolidating gains before next leg up higher. But I don't think gold is quite ready to advance further already next week, because open interest for December gold futures contracts on the COMEX that is due by November end is still quite high. 171,000 contracts to be closed or rolled over by the next week. So don't expect sharp moves higher in gold next week. Overall, it would be good for gold to consolidate for another week in order to solidify recent gains. Support zone for gold comes anywhere from $1,730 to $1,750 level. So expect some volatility over the coming days. Once December contracts expire towards November end, I expect another strong leg up in gold throughout December. In fact, I expect the month of December to be quite good for gold. My target is $1,875, $1,925 level for the next 4 to 6 weeks. And there are grounded reasons for my expectations. Gold typically produces 15 to 20% moves within 6 to 8 month period. Given that gold started the advance early in November and that average advancing cycle lasts up to 8 months, and that gold produces 15 to 20% moves during such period, then by December end, gold could be trading anywhere between $1,875 and $1,950 range. If we take the average 17 to 18% move, then the metal is likely to trade just around $1,900 level by the end of 2022. Meanwhile, senior gold miners GDX added 25% over the past 2 weeks. It is typical for gold miners to add 50 to 75% within the first 6 to 8 weeks of the advancing cycle of gold. So GDX could easily test $33 to $35 level by December end, which would represent another 25 to 30% move from present levels. Even on gold's yesterday's 0.5% decline, GDX was up almost 1%, which is usually a good sign for the miners. This is it for today. Stay well and enjoy the weekend. Please note that this video is not an investment advice and prepared solely for educational purposes.